Hi guys, this is Alfred again, coming up this morning with a brand new video talking about cryptocurrencies. Again, today I just want to show you a little bit in the deep details the coinmarketcap.com website. Remember that I showed you in my previous video. And my previous video, I was giving you an overview about the website. And today, I would like to go a little bit in the details to show you a little bit more around the website. Some of the things you should be aware of, how you can navigate the website so you can find the needed information that can lead you to be very comfortable navigating this website. With that said, let me move myself from here and then get into the corner up here. Of course, this is not a financial advice. This is only for entertainment purposes. Try to share some information with you in the crypto market. So in the previous video, I was showing around cryptocurrencies and then exchanges. Today, I want to kind of show you a little bit about NFTs. So what is NFTs? NFTs is non-fungible tokens. So those are non-fungible tokens. So I just want to show you a little bit about some of the tokens out there that they call NFTs. As you can know, or if you don't know, NFTs, they're kind of digital art collections, digital video clips, and something in the music industry as well. You have NFTs in this range of areas. So as you can see in the tokens that we have here, you see arts, blocks. So this is one of the NFTs token, CryptoPunks, and you have many NFTs tokens out there today. NFTs is an area a lot of people are so fired up about. I personally doesn't have any NFTs yet, but I'm still looking around, try to learn a little bit about these NFTs. So let me back up a little bit and get back to the home page. And so the next thing I want to show here is to go back to the cryptocurrencies. I'll go back to the cryptocurrencies, and then I'll drill that down a little bit to show you more about what you can find or what type of information you can find in this website. So if I go back to Bitcoins, I'm just going to click on here, and then it'll give me the Bitcoin homepage. And then I'm here. First information I can see is the price of Bitcoin out here, which is 41,000 right now. And then, like I was saying last time, you can find some information in the community. And then next thing I want to show today, I'll go down a little bit and to show you a little bit here. So this is an overview of Bitcoin. So in the overview, you can see the Bitcoin chart. I talked about this last time. So now I want to show you the market of Bitcoin. What is the market of Bitcoin? So the market is all the areas or all the exchanges that are selling Bitcoin. So when I click on the market, you will see all the exchanges that sells Bitcoin pop. You see, this is all the exchanges that are selling Bitcoins. As you can see, you can buy Bitcoin on Binance. So this is a good piece of information you can find. If you kind of wondering, where can I find Bitcoin? Where can I buy Bitcoin? So this is a way to find the location, the exchanges that are selling Bitcoin. So Binance, you can find Bitcoin, but also you see here the pairs, because before you can buy any cryptocurrencies, you have to buy it in a pair. So the pair is nothing than two coins together, or you're using one coin to buy the other. So for example, in Binance, you can buy Bitcoin with this coin, which is called USDT. And then when you go down, you go to different exchange, you're going to OBE Global, you can still buy Bitcoin with USDT. And then when you go to Binance.com, also here, you can also buy Bitcoin with BUSD. This is Binance USD. So this is what you can do with this piece of information over here. So you just go down the list. For example, Coinbase Exchange, you can buy Bitcoin with US dollars. And then over here in Binance also, you can also buy Bitcoin with ETH. See, if you have some ETH in your portfolio and then you want to buy Bitcoin, you can just exchange, you can trade your ETH to Bitcoin and you get Bitcoin. Let me go down the list so you can see. You see all the exchanges out there and the pairs. So this is why you should see the first column and the second column. That will give you a lot of information as to what exchange is selling Bitcoin or not. This is one piece of information I want to show you over here. And then the next piece of information over here is historical data. Historical data is the performance of the coin over time. So you can see on September 27, that means the previous day, how Bitcoin opened. At the beginning of the day, Bitcoin opened with 43,000, and then it went high to 44,000, and then it went low to 42,000, and then it closed with 42,235. And then look at the volume. The volume was around $30 billion. $30 billion. That was the volume on September 27. And then when you go down on the 26th, you see the performance. It was opening at 42,000. When you compare that to this, you see that there is a little bit of difference. And then the high, it went up to 43 or almost 44,000. And then it went down to 40,000. And then it closed at 43 low. And then you see the volume here also. You can see that the volume is pretty much close to the volume of the previous day. So this kind of information that can you can use to make some type of decision. This is historical data. And then the next thing I want to show here is the holders. See interesting information over here. The holders. How many people are holding Bitcoin right now? How many people? How many addresses? You see here, total addresses. If you can recall, what is addresses? Addresses, those are the keys of your coin. So if you buy a Bitcoin, you get the Bitcoin address that you can save on your exchange, or you can put in your wallet. So total addresses that are holding Bitcoin today, look here, is 38 million. But this is not what I want to show you. This is what I want to show you is this active addresses in the last 24 hours. The active addresses. That means these addresses are making some move with the coin. Almost 1 million. Almost 1 million addresses, 1 million users. They whether buy or sell or trade, there's some activity in the last 24 hours. And then the top 10 holders, you see the top 10 holders, they represent 5% of the total supply that people are holding. That's the top 10 holders. and then the top 20, etc., all the way to the end. See, these are also good information that you can explore to make some type of decision. And then I'll show you also here the wallet. So this wallet is the wallet where you can store your keys or your Bitcoin addresses. If you can recall, I was talking about wallet in one of my previous video. So the wallet is a storage area where you can hide your addresses. If you have your Bitcoin on the exchange, so the exchange keep that in a location that is called that internal wallet on your exchange. So the only way somebody can get into that is by knowing your username and password. So that's why you have to create a very secure password so nobody can get to your Bitcoin on the exchange, And then we were talking about different wallet before. Just want to show you some of them over here. Some of the exchanges, some of the wallet that we have is one is called Ledger. This is the website down below. So you can visit this website to learn a little bit of the Ledger. So this one is a kind of popular wallet. This one, we call that also a wallet that can be a cold wallet. That means something at some point you can take that off the internet. It's like a USB key, and then you can unplug it. You can plug that back into the internet and use it for transactions. But if you don't have any transaction to do, you can keep it out of the internet, meaning that you put that into a cold wallet. And then you have another one, which is Trezor, and then you have Math Wallet, and then you have a Trust Wallet, which is also popular. And then you have many other wallets that exist. So when you come to this page, you can explore this information. If you're looking for a cold wallet or you're looking for external wallet, you can come read through. Coinbase wallet is one of the good one also. It's free. You can get that, put that on your phone, and then use it as well. So this is some of the wallets that are over here. So another thing you can find in this page, Bitcoin page, is the news. News is very important too. You have to be checking the news from time to time to see what's going on the market. Sometimes people spread false misinformation, or sometimes there is some news even from government around the world that can swing the market in one direction or the other. So you have to be aware of the news as well. So when I click on the news over here, you see the latest news over here for the Bitcoin. You see the title, Bitcoin miners go nuclear in the hunt for cheap electricity. So the Bitcoin miners, like I was explaining before, the people who are mining Bitcoin, that the people who are producing Bitcoin. So those are dedicated, very sophisticated computers that are, sitting around the world in different countries, and then they are competing to solve some very high mathematical problem. So every time you try to make a transaction on an exchange, this is what happens. Once you put the transaction out there, so these miners, they actively working to solve that problem, which is your transaction. And the reward they get is the Bitcoin they get. So this is what we call the miner. So you have to read through this information also, so you can get some information. You can get that daily or weekly. You see over here, Morgan Stanley bags over 58,000 GBTC shares as Bitcoin price shakes. This is a move that one of the major banks, for not say the biggest bank in the world, Morgan Stanley, is moving This is some action he's taking over here. So would that impact the Bitcoin market? So you have to read through a little bit to see those news as well. It's very important to have the news. And then we have a social over here. Social, you go to the social feed of a Bitcoin and you can see what's going on the social feed of Bitcoin as well. So this is why we have it here for Bitcoin. And then when you get to rating, you can see how people are rating, the Bitcoin environment. And then you go to analysis and you get some info about some of the analysts out there who are predicting, doing some analysis work over here. For example, you come over here, you see analysis page, you see the token summary. You see over here, we say holders making money at current price. The current price, which is at 41 or something, 41,600. There's a 70% are making money. See, 70%. So holders making money at current price, 70%. And then you see from here, concentration by large holders, 11%. Large holders represent 11% over here. So there's some more information here that you can see. And then down here, you see actionable signal. So this is kind of tools. You can see that some people will post that on their pages from time to time. This kind of signal that show the market sentiment. For example, you see here bearish. You see when you are in this zone, that means the market is bearish. That means it's not performing good. It's kind of boring, and you have to be careful in this area. And then you see all the green is bullish. That means everything's working as predicted. Everything look good, so people can move or can expect big gains and all those type of things. So this is just to show how the market is reacting, the market sentiment. So let me get back up and then go back to the top, get back to the home page. And then I want to get back to portfolio. So the portfolio is the total number of cryptocurrencies you have in your basket. So if you have a 10 crypto, those represent your portfolio. So when you come to this website, you can even create a tracker for your portfolio. So because I don't have anything here, I didn't log into this. But if I log into this and then I set up my portfolio, you can see that, just over here. But if for the first time you try to create a portfolio, you can come here and you create your portfolio. If you have a username and password, you have an account on this website, you can come here and you log in first, and then you come here and you create your portfolio. So this is what you can do in this area. The next thing is a watch list. So what is a watch list? A watch list is some of the crypto. Maybe you are interested in those crypto. You can put them in a list and then you can watch them over time to see how they will be performing. If you see how the trend is, and then if it's something that you like, you can invest in those crypto. This is why you can put in your watch list. So because I don't have any watch list here, it's asking me to put my email to create my account, but I'm not gonna do that today. And then the last thing here is a calendars. Calendars is just a calendar of this type of things that this website is trying to record. So free airdrop. This is some type of coins that they give you for free. And then you have ICO. ICO is initial coin offering. So when people have a project that they're gonna bring out, they look for money. So they try to raise money. So they send that to ICO, and then people see that the first time or want to invest in those coins as soon as they come out. Those are the ICO out there. If you want to invest, you can buy those coins at the beginning. If that works good, you're gonna profit a lot. But if that ICO has some hiccups or some problem also, or it didn't work out, so you might lose as well. And then you have event calendar and so on and so on. So this is in general what you can find in this coinmarketcap.com website. I think it's a very interesting tool that anybody can use easily to find information. So I recommend this website for anyone who is coming into the crypto area. Even if you are new, or even if you've been here for some time, if you don't have this, it's good to have. So yeah, this is what I want to show you today. And I think this can help you and me navigate the cryptocurrencies market easily, find some information, news, and whatever information you need is all out here. But if you still have any question about this CoinMarketCap website, you can drop a comment down below, and then I can come up and then try to go over that again one more time and explain that in a comment as well. I just want to thank you for watching today, and just want to also thank you for subscribing, and also thank you for liking this video. And I will see you in the next one. Bye now.